and this, and this. Now, what do these pages have in common? They're all based on video. If you see a high converting sales page or opt-in page, it'll have a video. If you're selling Amazon products, the way to get the most commissions is to use video. If you want people to buy your t-shirts or take your CPA offers, you've got to use video. These days, all the top marketers are using video and using landing pages designed for video. Honestly, when was the last time you saw a successful sales page without one? The fact is, video sells. It's been proven to increase your conversions by up to 80%. And that is huge. And that means whatever you're selling, whether it's a product of your own, or an Amazon product, or a CPA offer, even if you're just trying to get an opt-in, if your landing page isn't designed for video, you're losing conversions and you're losing cash. And that is where a lot of marketers have problems. Because most landing page builders aren't designed for video, they just tack it on as an afterthought. And if you want conversions, you can't do that. If you want conversions, it's got to be all about the video. That means hiring designers and developers, waiting 2 weeks for them to do their job, and then paying $500 for the result. And for me, the problem there isn't even the money, it's the time. When I want to get a landing page up, I don't want it to take 2 weeks. That's 2 weeks of lost profits. But what I'm about to show you is how you can create any video landing page you can imagine from scratch. You don't need outsourcers and you don't need to touch a line of code. This web page you're looking at now, I created this from complete scratch in just a few minutes. I made this page you see here in less than 3 minutes, and believe me when I tell you, I suck at all things technical. And it's not just about design. And all the gadgets that you normally spend hundreds of dollars for are all built in. You can use the animations to introduce your content. You can add countdown timers for extra urgency. You can add opt-in forms or exit pop-ups with just a click. And there is so much more. The reason this software, called Video Pages, is so powerful is because it lets you use your videos. Be they sales videos, squeeze page videos, JV videos, whatever you want, to their fullest potential, which is really unlike anything else available on the market. No other landing page creator is specifically catered to the demands of showcasing videos. This is Video Pages, so let's go inside and I'll show you not only what it can do, but how easy it is to use it. So here we are in your Video Pages dashboard. Video Pages is a complete web-based software, so you never have to download anything. You can access it on any computer in the world, Mac or PC, and you don't even need WordPress. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create pages like the ones you saw, be it from scratch or using one of our many top converting templates. Video Pages will be your new go-to software for every single type of page you need for your online funnels, regardless of your business type or level of experience. You can see that with all the types of templates that are here at your disposal. Sales page templates, webinar registration, squeeze page and lead capture, thank you pages, upsell pages, affiliate pages. You see every page type in the world right here, ready for you to use for yourself right now. I'll choose this sales page template and everything that's pre-configured will pop up right here in your drag and drop creator. Now you'll see that tons of really good looking conversion boosting stuff is already included here for you. And you can customize, move, delete, rearrange, add extra content so that everything here is exactly to your liking. You're never locked in or left thinking, I wish I could add this, like you are with other landing page creators. A lot of page builders, especially hosted ones where you don't have to worry about WordPress and all the security holes that come with it, they can be pretty inflexible. You've got a template and you're stuck with it. Video Pages is different. It's the most flexible page builder out there. All the text you see here, you want to change that, just click on it like this and you can write right on the screen. Changing fonts, size, colors, it's just like you're using Word. Maybe you want a new section. That's simple. Just pick it up and drag it in. So we can see all our choices here. Let's have a 4-column one. I remember wanting to create columns on a WordPress site once. Oh my god, it took hours of sorting through different plugins and I finally gave up and hired a programmer to do it. I couldn't believe it was such a hassle. Now it's as easy as it should be. So I'll add this 4-column section and then it's just a matter of placing whatever widgets we want inside. We can do a text widget, image, video, whatever we need. And it's as fast and as easy as that. And then adjusting is super simple. Maybe you prefer it up there. Actually, you know what? It was better off without it, so let's delete it. It's that easy. All the templates are designed to make your videos look amazing, and we configure the settings just by clicking on it, and then clicking on this settings icon. All you have to do then is put in the source of the video or its URL. I'll put in this sample video URL. All you have to do is copy and paste. This is the hardest part, and it isn't hard at all, right? You can also determine the size of the video on the page and all of the other configurations about how it looks. You can even set up a timed call to action or opt in just by flicking this switch. On most pages, that's a bit of complicated coding. With video pages, you flick that and you're done. And this is really cool. You can choose an animation for how the video appears on the screen. This is going to give all your sites a unique and highly professional feel, which is proven to boost conversions. And you can actually do this not just for your videos, but for every element on your pages. Your images, text, everything can have an animation for how it appears on the screen. So if you want the video to fade in on top of all the other content, for example, we select that. A feature like this used to require way more programming than I'm comfortable with, or a bunch of extra plugins that slow websites down. Now it's right here. So let's click preview real quick so you can see this awesome feature in action. And that's all there is to it. It took us how long? 30 seconds? Cool, right? Let me just show you a couple more of the really powerful video pages features. And make sure you check out the full feature list below this video, because if I went through each and every one of them in this video, it'll be hours long. You'll also have access to step-by-step training videos in the members area, so you know exactly how to take advantage of all the cool stuff you can do with video pages, so no worries there. You'll see we have a countdown timer right here, and to configure it, you simply click on it and then click this settings icon. Here we can determine how long the countdown timer goes for and what happens after the countdown timer has expired. Here I'm just going to select that the timer disappears, but you can have it do nothing or redirect users to another page. You can also use opt-in forms. Just like with the timer, you select the widget, pick it up, and drop it in. Video Pages integrates with all the major autoresponders and GoToWebinar as well, so you can build big lists really easily. There's exit pops, Facebook comments, social sharing, the list just goes on and on. Not only that, you don't even have to start with a template if you don't want to. The column editor lets you start with a completely blank canvas so you can build whatever you like. I'm not going to go into too much detail here, but if you look further down the page, you can see how a complete squeeze page was built from scratch in just a few minutes. That's the kind of power this gives you. Being able to see pretty much any site, think, I want one like that, and then just go to Video Pages and build it. So while Video Pages is the only landing page creator designed for video, meaning you'll have the fastest load times regardless of what type of server you have, you'll have all the additional conversion increasing functionality you need to make the most of your videos, like the timed opt-ins, autoplay, timed call to action buttons, and more. You'll also have unprecedented ease, speed, and beauty for all your pages online. That's why I'm really excited about the launch of Video Pages and getting it to you for the smallest risk-free investment ever. Because you've probably guessed that a tool like this doesn't come cheap, and the price will be going up significantly after launch. You'll be looking at either $4.97 for the developer license or a monthly subscription. But for this launch, and only while this launch is running, you can pick up a lifetime license of Video Pages for a far smaller investment. That $4.97 is being cut to just $97. $97 and you get access for life with all the